Hi, this is Sridhar. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a About Us page for your website in your WordPress. So let's start. In our previous video, we create home page, about home page, contact us, privacy policy, term and condition. But About Us is also another important page. So let's create, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's create it. First we have to create a page. Click on page, click on add new, give a title about us. If you don't see the previous video, get the link from the description and check all them. Click on publish, view page. As you can see, about us page is create now. So now the turn is what data I have to enter in about us page. So this is my website. In this video, as you can in this page, you can see I add some overview information over here. You can add picture or videos. In this, you see what I write about tribal partners. Here I enter some offers, and here I enter some contact us and some more data over here, flexibility through renting and leasing, and we have the solution, all that thing. If you do, you just have to enter according to your website, according to your niche. Let's check another website. For example, I search website development. Check out their about us pages. See, they have contact page, services page, about. Click on that and see they write some our vision, what they are providing. Okay, and get start now, and they have some more and think about here. Okay, about their missions, and you have to enter according to your choice. You can visit one and more website according to your website, according to your niches. So for example, I want to tell you how to enter data over here. For example, if we want to enter a pic over here, we want to some data over here. For example, I want to write this one based over here, and I want to add more with the picture. So I click here and plus button and search for image and text, media and text, and click here. I upload media over here. I already told you how to get free pics. If you don't know, watch previous video. Get the link from the description. For example, I upload this one and I want to enter a content over here. I copy from here, and you can copy according to your choice, and you can also hire a content writer for this. Okay, for example, I wrote this one and I want to enter a contact as detail also over here, so I click here. I click plus contact form. As you can see the contact. Okay, by doing this you can see a contact form over here. Sorry for the spell. And if you want to enter in detail, can copy your detail from previous, for example, like this, and paste here. paste here, choose that and go there. You can enter whatever you want, whatever detail you want. If you want to more detail, you can do. If you want to add less detail, you can do. That's a preview how it's look now. As you can see, our page is almost ready. If you want to enter more details, like I entered this type of detail over here. For example, I entered this type of detail here and this detail over here. You can enter according to your choice. For okay, search about your website more and more, and let's get some ideas. If you don't have, hire a person from Fiverr and other platforms to write that, but just don't copy from other videos because Google never accept these type of pages. Don't ever copy. Okay, I'm just giving you an example for. Okay, if you want to this type of in your website, I'm gonna tell you how to create this. Go to your this edit page. Okay, for example, if you want this type of here, do this and type cover. Okay, upload a picture. I upload this. Okay, as you can see, this is much bigger. Let's resize it. Okay, write a title over here. For example, I write anything. For example, I write this one over here. I copy it by Control C, Control V, paste here. I want to change this in. I want to change the size of this. So I go here and write the size 12. So as you can see, this one more small, so I put here 18. As you can this light. If you want to center, you can center. If you want to like this, you can also do that. So now if you want to add a button over here, click here, right button, and button will appear here. If you want to do any center, select it and alignment, select button from here. Do and from here you can in justification you can do in middle, right here contact. Okay, the button is ready. So if you want to give them a link of contact us page, click on that and right here contact, and you can see the contact page is shown here. Click on that, click on update, view the page. As you can see, okay, there is a mission picture. The picture is not load here. Okay, we have to wait, or you can choose another picture if this kind of picture is not upload. And you can do one more thing. You have to change the picture in WEPB, for example. Convert image into WEPB. Okay, from here, change the pic, replace it if the image is not shown here. Choose another pic. Okay, update new page. As you can see, it's on like now. If you want to fix the background, you can fix it. Go here, click on it, click on fix background, update, refresh, and you can see it's appeared like now. Click on contact, it will go to the contact us page. As you can see, the about us page is not in menu. Let's add in menu. Go in edit side. Click on here. Write up here instead of blog. Close the blog and write here about us and give them a link. Save. View the site. As you can see, the about us page is not here. If you click here, you go on that page, about us page. You can customize page according to your choice. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe.